Did you know that most Excel users struggle to calculate weighted averages, ending up with wrong results or messy helper columns? In the next 60 seconds, I will show you how most people multiply each value by its weight manually, sum everything up, then divide, repeating the whole process every time data changes. Here we have a grade book with 3 assignments, each with a score and a weight percentage. To calculate the weighted average, click on an empty cell, let us use C6, and start typing the sum product. The formula equals sum product, then B2 to B4, which are your scores, then a comma, then C2 to C4, which are your weights. Excel multiply. The result is 86.1, a perfectly accurate weighted average that updates the instant you change any score or weight. You can also use SUMPRODUCT you just learned how to use SUMPRODUCT to calculate weighted averages and conditional counts without any helper columns or manual math.